Hi guys, good morning. How are you all doing? How was your night? This Saturday morning over here in Asaba, Delta State. We are reporting live and direct. Reporting live from Delta State, Asaba precisely. So guys, if you have not subscribed to my channel, what are you waiting for? Subscribe to my channel, like my videos, comment and share. So guys, today is Saturday. You all know what Saturdays are meant for. So we have a lot of things to do today, a lot of things to tidy up today, including house, clothes, and cooking. So guys, I would love to carry you guys along. First of all, let me show you guys what my sister is, because I came downstairs to capture what she's doing. So let me show you guys what she's doing. Over here, baby girl, say hi to the camera.
Hi.
So she's helping me with clothes. She's washing clothes and all that. She doing what she have already washed. So baby girl is doing washing. She's doing washing of the clothes. That's her own part of Saturday's cleanup. So these are her own parts. This and she's doing her own parts. So how are you guys doing? And how is your Saturday going over wherever you are? How is your Saturday moving? Hope you have engaged yourself in Saturday's cleanup. If you have not, so yeah, stand up from that bed. Go and do your Saturday's choice. You need to keep the house clean. You need to tidy that your environment. Make it to be sparkling clean. So baby girl is washing. She's washing. So guys, this is the last thing we have to do today, which is washing of plates. And my sister is taking care of it. I've done the remaining things like washing of toilets off camera. Baby girl is already tired. So I need to go and fetch, eat, then head straight to the market to buy things that I'll be needing for my offer. And I will sure carry guys along. I think that will be in another vlog, but I'll carry guys along to the market. Then preparation will be in a separate video. Okay, so guys, if you have not subscribed, you can subscribe to our channel, like our videos, comment and share, and do not forget to turn your notifications so that you'll be notified when we post another video. So we'll be ending it here. So see you guys when I get to the market, or probably when I'm dressed up. So see you guys later.
2 hours later.
Off to the market. One more. It's raining. See weather now. Weather is so cloudy. It's so rainy, sure. This one will start. So let me rush to the market before to start raining. So guys, let's straight to the market. We're suffering here bad roads. Since this rain started, everywhere has been flooded. Before, this road used to be manageable until they said they want to start the road. They now worsen everything. After the whole process, they still left it like this. It's not, you cannot walk on this road because of the flood and all that. It's not even motorable again, and you still can't walk with leg. You still can't cross it with leg. So that's what we are suffering now. So if you want to follow this road now, you have to climb this gutter. Amazing. So right now I want to withdraw before I'll start buying things. Hey, I will show you. Hey, no be small. So I'm curious. Let me get cash first before I'll proceed with what I want to buy. Right now I want to buy meat first. How much? 4,000. 1,000. I want to join with the one where I get from. So let me buy meat. I'm at the market. So guys, let me get meat. I'm rushing because of the weather. The weather is not strong yet. Look at big 200 size. This is an 200 size. This is the Yanga market. Hi Rice, how are you doing? She's fine. Really more. The one where you give me, Nana. Come on for the one where you sit down. I beg one yara for good doing first. So guys, I'm heading to where I will buy Yanga fruit because I want to prepare for food. Who they say? I don't come again. Onye no come today. Ewanya. Onye travel, where she travel go? See this my customer wey no dey do me well. See her here. I dey carry am go London. Good afternoon. So good afternoon. See fresh bank. I want pepper. They have my first time I'm saying this. Why your dad is saying that? Come and say banga for me, people. Say banga for me. Have paint.
Àwọn video mẹ́bẹ̀ lè tí ẹbí bàjẹ́ nígbà tí èwe pé sòfò.
Say banga for me, oh. These are small Yanga market. Why her face no good soon? Give me salt. Small one. You give me Maggi, no. 100 naira. This is a non-stop. I'm still going the whole rush I do want. Yeah, this was finished. So at this point, it started raining. So I cannot leave the market under the rain. So I decided to visit one salon there and get my big toes fixed.